We all know that sharp mower blades are a critical part of keeping your grass healthy and looking its best. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the blades on your Ozito PXC 18V robot mower. In general, you should aim to sharpen or change your mower blades every 3 to 6 months. So you can either have them sharpened professionally or you can pop down to your local Bunnings store and special order a new set.
The first step in changing your blades is to remove the battery and gently turn the mower over. For the next step, you'll need 2 Phillips head screwdrivers.
Be mindful that these blades may still be sharp, so best to wear some gloves.
Insert the first screwdriver into one of the holes to stop the blade plates from moving. Now, with the second screwdriver, remove the screws and the blades. Next, take your new blades and screw them back on. And you're done! Now your grass will love the clean-cut shave that it deserves.